Luxury supercar manufacturer McLaren Automotive will shortly commence production of the windscreen version of its Elva Roadster. Designed for customers who prefer to have a physical screen rather than the barrier of air provided by the active air management system, as well as to meet local legal requirements in some states in the USA, the windscreen variant, which will be among the rarest of McLarens, is revealed today in full for the first time, with images of the prototype car. While having had its own engineering program to optimize aerodynamic and dynamic performance, the windscreen Elva shares all of the ethos and performance of the original car. Neither has a roof, side windows, or rear screen, which when combined with the dry lightest weight of less than 1,300 kilograms and a mid-mounted 815 PS twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 engine, delivers the ultimate in driver exhilaration. The screenless Elva is McLaren Automotive's lightest ever road car, and the target for the windscreen version is only 20 kilograms heavier, even with the inclusion of electronically synchronized rain-sensing wipers, washer jets and sun visors, as well of course as the heated glass windscreen within a carbon fiber surround. The active air management system is deleted as it has no role to play in the windscreen car. The acceleration of both versions is comparable with that of a McLaren Senna, the screenless model reaching 100 km per hour from standstill in 2.8 seconds and covering 0 to 200 km per hour in 6.8 seconds. Dynamic performance and vehicle stiffness also remain unchanged from the screenless car, as does the scintillating driving experience. The windscreen, which is a permanent fixture, affords greater protection from the elements, but it does not in any way reduce the levels of excitement. The Elva links McLaren's heritage to its present and future with a name and style that recalls the McLaren Elva race cars of the 1960s. These were amongst the first sports cars designed and raced by Bruce McLaren and the company that he founded, and today's Elva was created to evoke the spirit of driving enjoyment symbolized by these cars. Created as an homage to Bruce McLaren's legendary race cars, heritage liveries like that of the satin Casa blue windscreen model prototype pictured have captured the imagination of Elva owners. Demand for bespoke customization of this kind by McLaren Special Operations has produced a series of dramatic and unique cars that stand out even among one of the rarest of McLarens. No more than 149 examples of the Elva will be specified and built to customer order. The first examples of the windscreen Elva will be delivered to customers towards the end of this year following personalisation by McLaren Special Operations.